And now we come to the main part of the chapter, which are the genetic disorders which are seen in humans. तो जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर्स कौन से होते हैं, इससे एनालाइज करते हैं. Broadly speaking, genetic disorders are grouped into two categories. You have something called Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. So we will do these today. What are the Mendelian disorders? You have diseases like thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria. All these are Mendelian disorders. And these are due to defects on genes, on the chromosomes. So genes के ऊपर defect होता है. Most of them are point mutations, which we had done before. Point mutations lead to Mendelian disorders like thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria. And then you have chromosomal disorders, which are not point mutations, but they are defects in the chromosome. पूरा क्रोमोसोम ही डिफेक्टिव हो जाता है. यू हैव डाउन सिंड्रोम, टर्नर सिंड्रोम, क्लाइनफेल्टर सिंड्रोम. All these are examples of chromosomal disorders. So you have disorders of genes called Mendelian disorders and disorders of chromosomes called as chromosomal disorders. Let's start first with chromosomal disorders. Which are the chromosomal disorders? Sir, chromosomal disorders are due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. So it is due to absence or excess of abnormal arrangement of one chromosome. For example, Down syndrome, there is an extra copy of 21st chromosome. So 21st chromosome, instead of two, there are three. So 21st chromosome, instead of two, there are three. Three 21st chromosome. Three 21st chromosome, and that is an extra copy. 321st chromosome, it is an extra copy of the 21st chromosome, which is called as Down syndrome. So that is Down syndrome. Or you may have uh, other syndromes, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. You have extra copy of the X chromosome. X chromosome की एक एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी है एंड XXY कंडीशन होता है. सो देर इज अ एक्स्ट्रा X chromosome. Extra X chromosome, and that leads to a disease called as Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is due to an extra copy of the X chromosome. Extra copy of the X chromosome, and you have, instead of XY, you have XXY. So XY की जगह XXY होता है. That is an extra X chromosome, which is called Klinefelter syndrome. Or you have a condition whereby there is only one X chromosome and the other X or Y chromosome is absent. So, loss of one X chromosome. Loss of an X chromosome is a disease called as Turner syndrome. Loss of X chromosome is a disease called as Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome, and that is due to loss of X chromosome. So एक X chromosome कम पड़ता है, and that is an exo condition. So that is loss of X chromosome called as Turner syndrome. So failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division results in the gain or loss of chromosomes, which is called aneuploidy. So during cell division, there is an abnormality and chromosomes fail to divide. Chromosomes fail to separate, and that will result in a gain or loss of chromosome called aneuploidy. For example, Down syndrome, there is a gain of extra copy of chromosome number 21. Turner syndrome is due to loss of X chromosome in human females. And Klinefelter's is an extra copy of X chromosome in males. Failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in the whole set of chromosomes in an organism, and this phenomenon is known as polyploidy. So, sir, समझो you have a condition in which you have normal is diploid hota hai, and this is haploid chromatid, which is chromosome, this is chromosome, this is chromosome, and this is chromosome. And so sir, ye this is 2x, this is 2x, this is 2x, this is x, this is x, so this is 2x. And normally, what should happen, sir? After mitosis के बाद, this should become, what will this become? If you remember, this is 2x, and actually this becomes 4x. समझो, this is 2x maternal, whereby this is x, 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 this is x. So 2x maternal. Similarly, this is 2x paternal. This is 2x paternal. Two x paternal. So at the moment, the cell is 4x, 2x maternal and 2x paternal. Now, what will happen in anaphase? In anaphase, centromere will break and the chromosomes go to the opposite poles. Chromosomes go to opposite poles, followed by cytokinesis, and cytokinesis takes place, and this will become 2x x maternal x paternal. This will become 2x x maternal x paternal. तो x maternal, ये हो गया x maternal, and ये हो गया x paternal, and this becomes x maternal and x paternal. But suppose in certain condition, cytokinesis does not take place, cytokinesis in yoga, then what will the resultant cell have? It will have x maternal, x paternal, x maternal, x maternal, x paternal, and the other side also will become x maternal and x paternal. So the cell will become, instead of 2x, the cell will become 4x. cell will become 4x because cytokinesis has not taken place. No cytokinesis. So cytokinesis in हुआ, so it resulted in 2x plus 2x, 4x, and that is a condition called as polyploidy. ये plants में देखा जाता है. Polyploidy is seen in plants. So this is polyploidy. And sir, you have an additional copy is included in individual which is called trisomy. For example, Down syndrome, 21st somatic chromosome, you have two instead of the three instead of two. Three instead of two, so that is called as trisomy. Or XXY condition in case of Klinefelter syndrome. So you have an extra X chromosome that is called trisomy. Or Turner syndrome में there is a lack of one pair of chromosome. Turner syndrome is X0. तो एक X chromosome कम है and that is a lack of one pair of chromosome which is called monosomy. So that is called monosomy. So Down syndrome, which is with 21st extra chromosome. 21st extra chromosome. Or Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome, which is with XXY chromosome. You have extra X chromosome or 21st extra chromosome. So that is called as trisomy. Trisomy. Extra chromosome hai. And Turner syndrome with 20 with one X chromosome less. Turner syndrome with XO condition, जिसमें एक X क्रोमोसोम कम होता है, is called as monosomy. That is monosomy. So Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome have extra chromosome that is called trisomy, and Turner syndrome with one X chromosome less is called as monosomy. तो ये monosomy होता है. And let's see what are these disorders. सबसे पहले you have Down syndrome. 21st trisomy कहते हैं. 21st trisomy. 3 21st chromosome, 21st trisomy, 46 plus 1, 47 chromosomes are there. 47 chromosomes are there. Appearance of different types of symptoms is called syndrome. A collection of many symptoms is called as a syndrome, and this syndrome called Down syndrome was described by John Langdon Down. So it is named after him, called Down syndrome. It is caused by aneuploidy, which means addition or deletion of one or two chromosomes in the diploid chromosome number. तो chromosome बढ़ जाएगा या कम हो जाएगा, it is called aneuploidy. Down syndrome is due to extra chromosome number 21. Extra chromosome number 21, presence of 3 copies of 21st chromosome instead of 2. So 21st chromosome instead of 2, there are 3 copies. It is called trisomy of 21st chromosome, and it is a failure or separation of the chromosome or non-disjunction during meiosis. During meiosis, non-disjunction. If you remember, what is disjunction? So, do we remember in cell division we have done? During Pachytene, there is crossing over. Pachytene में crossing over होगा. And then it will result in terminalization of Chas meta. Terminalization of Chas meta and diakinesis. In metaphase, all the terminalizations के साथ the chromosomes are in the equatorial plate. in metaphase 1. In anaphase 1, terminalization breaks. Terminalization breaks, which is called disjunction. That is called disjunction. And disjunction of chromosome takes place, and thus diploid becomes haploid. But what happens in Down syndrome? Many women who become pregnant after the age of 35, this happens during oogenesis. उनके oogenesis में ये होता है after the age of 35 40 years if they become pregnant कि sir उनका all chromosomes, chromosome number 1, 2, 3, 4, undergo disjunction, but 21st chromosome जो है उसका disjunction नहीं होता है. 21st chromosome does not undergo disjunction, and you will have two 21st chromosomes. So, when it will undergo cytokinesis in one's egg, you will have chromosome, 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 but 21st chromosome है ही नहीं. 21st chromosome है ही नहीं. And in the other egg, you have chromosome, 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 and 21st chromosome, instead of one, you have two 21st chromosome. You have two 21st chromosome. So there are two 21st chromosomes, two 21st chromosomes in the egg. And when a sperm comes with it, it will deliver one 21st chromosome in the egg. तो egg के अंदर already two 21st chromosomes were there. When the sperm brings in one more 21st chromosome, then now it will become three 21st chromosomes, and three 21st chromosome will result in a condition called as trisomy 21. Trisomy 21 or Down syndrome. Tri, 3, somy, somatic chromosomes. Which somatic chromosome? Chromosome number 21. So trisomy 21 results in, which is called as Down syndrome. So Down syndrome is due to non-disjunction of the 21st autosome, and instead of one autosome per egg, you have in the egg two autosomes, two 21st chromosome. और जब sperm और एक 21st chromosome लेके आता है, it will result in three 21st chromosome, which is called as trisomy 21, and trisomy 21 is now a condition called as Down syndrome. This is common in women who have become pregnant after the age of 35-40 years. What will be the symptoms of that child? Symptoms is most children show typical facial features with a fold of skin called as epicanthal skin fold over the inner corner of the eye. Yaha inner corner of the eye, you can see here carefully, inner corner of the eye पे एक extra fold of skin आ जाता है. So eyelid के ऊपर एक extra fold of skin आता है, which is called as a epicanthal skin fold, and that results in downward slanting of eyelids. Eyelids के ऊपर extra fold of skin है, तो eyelids नीचे चली जाती है. So child has got a downward slanting of the eyelids. The face is typically flat. Face flat होता है with a rounded flat nose. तो उसका nasal bone develop नहीं होता है. He's got a flat nose with no nasal bone development. तो flat nose होता है. Mouth is open and tongue is protruding. Mouth open hai, tongue protruding hai with saliva dribbling. Why is this poor child having an open mouth with saliva dribbling through the corner? Because this child is mentally retarded. तो डाउन सिंड्रोम का बच्चा मेंटल रिटार्डेशन के साथ होता है. He has a poor skeletal development, having a short stature. So he is physically retarded as well as mentally retarded. Physical and mental retardation sounds familiar, similar to cretinism, जिसमें physical and mental retardation होता है, and has a relatively small skull and palate is arched. तो स्कल छोटा होता है और याद है ये हार्ड पैलेट होता है. हार्ड पैलेट, सो ये हार्ड पैलेट ऐसे होता है, उसका हार्ड पैलेट और टंग यहां होती है, उसका हार्ड पैलेट आर्च होता है. He's got an arching of the hard palate, and that is a arched hard palate. And the hand is having a flat hand with a characteristic crease which runs along the way across the palm. उसके palm के ऊपर एक characteristic crease होती है. तो ऐसी एक crease runs across the palm, and that is a characteristic crease of the palm. And such a child is called as a Down syndrome, also called as a Mongoloid baby. It looks like the child is from Mongolia. Okay, Mongolian babies have a similar appearance called as a Mongoloid baby, and Mongoloid babies are Down syndrome. So Down syndrome, trisomy 21, 21st extra chromosome. So this is trisomy. Then you have Klinefelter syndrome, 44 XXY. It is caused due to an extra sex chromosome and extra X chromosome. So the genotype is XXY instead of XY. And these are feminized males. These are males because of Y, but because of 2XX and then Y, they are called feminized males. The sufferer has 47 chromosomes instead of 46, and the extra chromosome results from non-disjunction of X chromosome during meiosis. So during meiosis, non-disjunction of X chromosome होता है. So let's see. So Turner's और Klinefelter syndrome में क्या होता है? Metaphase में there is alignment of all the chromosomes along the equator with terminalization. Anaphase में, anaphase 1 में there is disjunction. So disjunction of autosomes takes place. Disjunction of autosome takes place, but X chromosome का disjunction नहीं होता है. X chromosome does not undergo disjunction, and when the egg is produced by cytokinesis, one egg will have haploid autosome and two X chromosomes. Two X chromosome, and one egg will have autosomes, haploid, and no X chromosome. तो नो एक्स क्रोमोसोम, यहां एक्स आएगा ही नहीं. तो दो टाइप के एग्स बनते हैं, एक में दो एक्स क्रोमोसोम है और एक में नो एक्स क्रोमोसोम इज देयर. Now, when a sperm comes with the Y chromosome into this egg, it will become XXY, and that will result in Klinefelter syndrome. Or if the sperm comes with X chromosome, it will become XXX, which will result in a condition called super female. So super females are formed, in which women are very tall, lot of strength, very aggressive, and that is like वो WWF के अंदर कैसे बहुत सारी women are tall and built and हट्टा कट्टा. That is because of XXX condition called super female. Or if it is XX and Y chromosome, then it will become Klinefelter syndrome. But 50% chances Klinefelter syndrome बनेगा, 50% chance. Another 50% chances XX के साथ कोई भी, सॉरी, आपके सोमैटिक क्रोमोसोम के साथ कोई भी X क्रोमोसोम नहीं है. So there are only 22 somatic chromosome, no X chromosome, and if a sperm comes with an X chromosome, it will become 44XO, and 44XO condition हो जाएगी, which is now called as Turner syndrome. So अगर 47XXY बन जाता है, XXY बन जाता है, then it is trisomy. X क्रोमोसोम का ट्राइसोमी है, it is called Klinefelter syndrome. And यहाँ 44XO, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स आर 45. एक एक्स क्रोमोसोम कम है, then that will result in Turner syndrome, which is a monosomy. So normal डाइसोमी होता है. टर्नर सिंड्रोम एंड क्लाइनफेल्टर सिंड्रोम में क्या होगा? अगर एग में डबल एक्स क्रोमोसोम आ गया, then with Y chromosome it will become 47XXY, which is called Klinefelter syndrome, that is trisomy. ट्राइसोमी हो जाएगा, like डाउन सिंड्रोम. एंड अगर ऑटोसोम्स है पर उसमें एक्स क्रोमोसोम है ही नहीं, and the sperm comes with one X chromosome, it will result in 45XO, then that will result in Turner syndrome, which is a condition of monosomy. तो वो मोनोसोमी हो जाएगा. तो यू हैव एक ही मियोसिस के अंदर दोनों पॉसिबल है. यू हैव मोनोसोमी, दैट इज टर्नर सिंड्रोम, और इक्वल चांस ऑफ ट्राइसोमी, दैट इज क्लाइनफेल्टर सिंड्रोम. तो उसमें दोनों करेंगे. क्लाइनफेल्टर सिंड्रोम इज ड्यू टू extra chromosome due to non-disjunction of X chromosome due to meiosis, and the sufferer has 47 chromosomes instead of 46. So, what will be the symptoms of this patient? Patients are tall, thin, eunuchoid. They are eunuchs, sterile, sperms are not produced, and poorly developed secondary sexual characters. तो बियर्ड, मुस्टैच, ये सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स नहीं बनेंगे. दे आर टॉल, थिन, लंबे होते हैं हाइट में, थिन होते हैं एंड यूनिकॉइड होते हैं. टेस्टिस आर वेरी स्मॉल and spermatogenesis is absent. So these males are very tall, but testes are poorly developed, spermatogenesis is absent, and secondary sexual character like beard, mustache, ये बराबर से फॉर्म नहीं होते हैं. And they have normal intelligence, so IQ is not affected. But such an individual has overall masculine development, but along with it, feminine development of breast, that is gynecomastia also expresses. Breast development called gynecomastia. If you remember, they are XXY. तो डबल एक्स क्रोमोसोम से बहुत ज्यादा ईस्ट्रोजन बनेगा. डबल एक्स क्रोमोसोम से बहुत ज्यादा ईस्ट्रोजन बनेगा, and estrogen will lead to development of breast gynecomastia. So these are tall men with breast development, which is called as gynecomastia. So these are classical tall, thin men with poorly developed testes, no beard, no mustache, spermatogenesis is less, they are sterile, and they have got breast development gynecomastia. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे क्लाइनफेल्टर सिंड्रोम के पेशेंट्स हम लोग रस्तों पे देखते हैं, जो हमारे बेचारे यूनक्स होते हैं, और दे आर टॉल, दे आर थिन, एंड दे आर हैविंग ब्रेस्ट डेवलपमेंट, दे आर वेयरिंग ब्लाउजेस, साड़ीज, एंड दे आर आस्किंग फॉर आर्म्स, लोगों से भीख मांगते हैं, थोड़े पैसे दे दो. Can you imagine? There is no fault of theirs. All they had was XXY condition, trisomy of the uh, sex chromosome, XXY condition, and that was just because of a non-disjunction of the double X chromosome, and that resulted in Klinefelter syndrome. तो ये Klinefelter syndrome होता है. And then you have Turner's syndrome, 44 plus XO. Turner's syndrome was first described by H.H. Turner. It is X monosmy, and it results in non-disjunction during meiosis of either male or female gamete. So spermatogenesis या oogenesis में non-disjunction होता है. And as we just said कि अगर XX क्रोमोसोम एक एग में चला गया तो उसमें Y क्रोमोसोम से XXY से क्लाइनफेल्टर्स बनेगा, बट दूसरे एग में there is no X chromosome, and that will result in a sperm with X chromosome going in, resulting in 45XO condition. तो वो भी नॉन डिसजंक्शन से होता है, और उसमें एक्सो होता है जहां एक्स स्पर्म से आता है, एग में कोई एक्स क्रोमोसोम है ही नहीं, नो एग एक्स क्रोमोसोम इन द एग, रिजल्टिंग इन 45XO. So, sir, what is the probability of getting Klinefelter syndrome or Turner syndrome? Exactly 50-50%. तो Klinefelter's और Turner syndrome 50-50% chance are there. एक ही meiosis में ऐसा हुआ है, तो you should get equal number, theoretically equal number of Klinefelter's or Turner syndrome should be born from these gametes. 50% Klinefelter's का chance है, 50% Turner's का. But that does not happen because Turner syndrome is fatal in early pregnancy, and एक्सो वाला बच्चा early pregnancy में मर जाता है. So there is a chance that the child with Turner syndrome may not be born at all. बच्चा पैदा ही नहीं होता है. And it is rare as compared to Klinefelter syndrome. तो Klinefelter syndrome common है, but Turner syndrome बहुत rare है, because early pregnancy में it is fatal in the 45XO condition. And person with Turner syndrome have 45 chromosomes with only one sex chromosome X, so it is 44 plus X0. It is called as 44 plus X0. So that is Turner syndrome. What is a phenotype? Because of X chromosome, it will become a female. So female hogi, but she will have a short stature, webbing of the neck. Height kam hogi, neck में webbing होता है, and neck is very short neck and low posterior hairline. जो पीछे के बाल का hairline है is a low posterior hairline. So this would be a normal hairline, and this is a low posterior hairline. तो पीछे से भी बाल आते हैं. And females are sterile, ovaries are rudimentary, and lack of other secondary sexual characters take place. Females are sterile, eggs are not produced, ovaries are useless, and estrogen progesterone भी नहीं बनता है, and lack of other secondary sexual characters. So this is a Turner syndrome. The lady has a short height, neck is short, very short neck with webbing, and a low posterior hairline is there. Breasts are not well developed, ovaries are rudimentary, she is sterile, she cannot produce kids, and that is a condition called as Turner syndrome. So, ये हो गया आपका Turner syndrome, and with that we have analyzed Down syndrome trisomy 21, 21st extra chromosome. Klinefelter syndrome trisomy sex chromosome 44 plus XXY. That is Klinefelter syndrome, trisomy. And Turner syndrome is monosomy, which is 44 plus X0. That is Turner syndrome, monosomy. Chalo. So we have done with chromosomal disorders, and then we will go into Mendelian disorders.